guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back in town and it's a good thing because we have a lot of stuff Seth and I have to do to get into our new slip. So we got a new slip, which is super exciting, and it's not only just a slip, it is a liveaboard slip. So it'll allow us to live on our boat, which if you're watching this in any other state might not be that big of a deal, but in the state of Hawaii, they're very, very strict. So not many people get liveaboard slips. So we were lucky enough, we waited on the wait list for a year and a half and we didn't have a boat the whole time. So it kind of worked out perfectly that by the time we got our boat, the slip was available. But since Seth is active duty, we ended up getting the slip. It's actually in Pearl Harbor and it's pretty crazy because you have to go into the harbor and obviously and into where our marina is. Now there's a bunch of different, West Lock, South Lock, North Lock from the Pearl Harbor that you can't actually enter because naval ships are there. So you have to pretty much go from East Lock right out the harbor and you have to request permission to get into it. So lots of rules. Read all the manual stuff the other day. We have it here, we're ready, and tomorrow we're going to set sail to go to the new marina, so our new slip. So we're excited, but today we have a lot of projects that we have to do, so we're going to take you along. We have to scrape the outside of the boat. I have to be hoisted up the main to fix some rope that's tangled. Line. Ugh, I'm gonna get made fun of. Rope. Yeah, we're just getting everything ready for our first official sail tomorrow. Alright, so come along with us as we do some of these projects, and the first one we're going to attempt to do is hoist me up the main. I'm a little nervous, it's still a little high. It'll also be kind of fun though. So a little nervous, a little fun, and gotta get stuff done. We have to get that fixed. We have to do some other projects so that we can sail and have no barnacles on the bottom of our boat and just be kind of ready to go tomorrow.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding.
In high school you do trust falls, and this is like the ultimate trust.
For you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and above.
That was something that was really scary. I felt like a koala in a tree, slow moving, no control. And yeah, oh man, covered in white chalk. I feel good to be on land. I was getting a little like at the end I was like, whoo, this is a little high, but it was kind of fun, but at the same time also kind of scary.
Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
So we are getting ready to go. We cleaned the side of the boat. We didn't get in the water. Shout out to the guy that told me that crabs could get in our ears because we didn't have earplugs. And I did see a bunch of little crabs. But our arms are exhausted. My legs, like my inner thighs, are super, super sore because I clung onto the mast like a little like koala. So we're heading out for the day. We're gonna be back tomorrow bright and early to sail this boat. Boat's cleaned, line is fixed. What? Ish. It's boat. The boat is clean-ish. It really needs a haul out, but we did the best we could with like an hour of just scraping. So it is what it is. Ready to go, ready to shower off. I have salt and like paint chalk all over me, so kind of absorbing the sunset, and we'll see you tomorrow for a bright and early sail on Windrose.
Probably already tell, we had 2 additional people on our boat with us. We are so grateful for their help. They helped us sail our boat from the mooring ball to our slip. They also taught us how to sail, so it was a really great wealth of knowledge, and just really appreciative for their help. We sailed into our slip, and we were a little slow to get the mainsail up just because the track on the mast got stuck a little bit. All in all, we had a wonderful sail. We had great wind, great sun, and like no clouds in the sky. It was a pretty beautiful day for a sail. So we were so happy with how the sail went, and we were also really happy in our new little slip home. It's pretty neat.
slip. I am a little burnt, if you can see, a little crispy, but we made it. It was a little bit longer of a sail. A little bit longer of a sail than I thought. It took us about 3.5 hours, 3 hours and 45 minutes to get from the one marina kind of around the bottom of the island into Pearl Harbor. And Pearl Harbor is pretty big because it kind of goes up and then it kind of balloons up. So it took us a while to get here, but it was a great, perfect day, windy day for a sail. So ended up being really good. This marina is beautiful. It is Navy property, so it's very safe, very well maintained. Not a lot of people here. So it's a great first sail. We have projects to do. We're connected to shore power, so we're going to show you more of that coming up. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, this is your opportunity to subscribe and hit the thumbs up in the bottom bar below to give us a like on this video. Or if the wind is blowing your way, why don't you leave a comment down below? And we will see you at our slip next week. See ya.